Welcome back to RealMcCoy411. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. We up in here again, okay? We're about to take this Uncle Funky's daughter moisturized wash and go and use some water and the extra butter from the little travel kit and put up some moisturizing twist. Yes, that's what we're going to do. The funny thing about this Curly Magic Gel is it never got hard by me using the butter. With me using that, not extra butter, that Super Curl cream. Is it Super Curl? Yeah, when I use this Super Curl cream, my hair did not get hard at all, and it was manageable, and it was just nice and neat, and I didn't get that hard cast at all. At all. Get ready to open up some strands and mix in this extra butter with the products that's already in my hair, and I'm just going to dampen it. I'm not even going to fully. What is going on right here? What is this? Oh, okay. I didn't put nothing on the last one. I don't think I got nothing to put on the last one. Yes, I do. Man, my heart is heavy, y'all, for Chad Boswick, the Black Panther. I mean, he was working and doing all that stuff and making appearances, and the whole time he was sick. The whole time he was sick. He had been dealing with that cancer, and I, for one, can relate to cancer and chemo treatments and all that kind of stuff, and he was a strong man. He was a mighty strong man to be able to work, have chemo, put out all these great things that he did. It was just, I don't see how he did it, because chemo by itself, this is the extra butter. Chemo by itself is way worse than the cancer. So I don't know if he was taking chemo, but if he was, and he was still managing to do all that he was doing, man, that was one strong man. One strong man. But God does everything for a reason. Everything for a reason. God knew. He knew. God used him. Oh, to y'all want to know what that O was for? Oh, this stuff smells good. Oh, this extra butter smells good, baby. Ooh. Oh, got me completely off subject. But he worked up until he couldn't. He knew what he was dealing with. And these are not going to be rope twists. These are just going to be regular protective style twists. Just regular twists. Oh, it smells so good, and my hair feels so soft. This extra butter is what's up. It's what's up. So I know I'm going to get some definition out of this. I know I'm going to get some definition when I take it down. If I do a twist out. That just smells so good. We are simply on a budget because y'all know that Uncle Funky's daughter is expensive, and I was not about to wash out that expensive Curl Magic to put up some twists. I'm going to leave that Curl Magic right in here and add this extra butter and keep it going. So, on that note, let's speed up the video. Look at that part. Let go. Alright, so I have completely finished twisting my hair. All in the back. And I put a couple extra twists in there because I know that this is going to be a twist out. I know this is going to be a twist out. Guys, this stuff, this extra butter curl forming cream right here, I know it's in a trial size. And the next time I buy something, it'll be in a trial size because this stuff is expensive. So, this stuff smells so good and is so moisturizing, along with this Super Curl moisturizing. This Curly Magic, the only full size thing that I have is moisturizing with aloe vera, marshmallow, and nettle for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. This is 18 ounces of fun that I'm going to have on wash days. And I bought something today. I'm so proud of myself. I bought a concealer. Yes, I bought a concealer. So I'm going to be practicing with my makeup and practicing how to put on the makeup and all that kind of stuff. So when I come back to do the takedown, my face, what is it, Candy? Go night-night. Go night-night. She's looking at me like, you in my room. But anyway, when I come back, my face it's gonna be looking good. I ain't gonna say it's gonna be beat, because I'm not at the beat status. It's going to be looking pretty good and natural. Pretty good and natural. So I'm going to be practicing with my... This is Candy. This is Candy. Say hey, Candy. Say hey, Candy. She's looking like, why do I see myself? Why do I see you? It's called a camera. It's called a camera. No, I don't want to play now. Okay. So, when I come back, my makeup's going to be on. We're going to take down these twists. You know how I feel about being on a budget. Yes, we're going to use what we already had in our hair. We added some extra butter. We're going to twist it up like we did, and we're going to have a twist out. We had a wash and go, and we're going to have a twist out when the weather permits. Right now, it is storming and raining in Texas. But you won't know anything about that, because the next time you see me, I'll already be done up in a click, just like bang, whoop whoop, whoop whoop, and we back just like that. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Leave it in the comments below. Look, guys, I can't, my hair is still so soft that, look at that. Still so soft that for a minute, and I waited an extra day because I thought it was still wet, but it's not wet. It's moisturized. Extra butter, baby. Extra butter. Extra butter, baby. Extra butter. That's all I can say. Extra butter. Look at that. Look at that shine. OMG. And remember, we just did regular twists. Regular twists. So let's speed up the video, take down the twist, and have a finished look. Whoop whoop. That's my thing now. Whoop whoop. Every time I start a video, it's gonna be whoop whoop. Let's get it. Whoop whoop. Let's get it. Gotta brand myself. Speed it up. Now, if you know me and you're familiar with my channel, you know I'm all about definition. 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 That's what it's all about for me. Not volume. I can take them apart on times that I feel like I should. But right now, definitely with the weather the way it is, I'm going to leave this joker's twisted, untwisted, just like this. Because they are going to last me a good 2-3 days. I refuse to have frizz. I refuse it. Look at the shine. Look at the definition. Went back, added extra butter to an old Uncle Funky's daughter wash and go, added extra butter, put in some twists, use some water, and woo, 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 woo. Look at that. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Thumbnail. So tell me what you guys think about the makeup. I did add something different. I added a concealer and I patted it. And I don't know if it's looking right. They told me I could do some on my nose, contour my nose or something, but I wasn't there yet. I'm not there yet. I'm still trying to get down the foundation and the powder and the mascara and lipstick and the concealer. I'm still trying to get all that down. So tell me what you think about this look. Tell me what you think about the hair, because the hair is pretty much speaking for itself. It's speaking for itself. You hear it talking? Did you hear that? I'm speaking for myself. I'm speaking for myself. And I had to double check because I wanted to make sure I didn't leave none untwisted, because there's so much definition back there that I wanted to make sure that I got it all. And I think I did. I think I did. So if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on my natural hair journey. Follow me on my natural makeup journey now that I've added. Just follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have great content. Great content. I have honest reviews on these products behind me and the ones that didn't make it. Because not all of them make it. So, go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification icon, that little bell icon, and select all, because I do put out videos a lot. I'm very consistent. Very consistent. So, go ahead, subscribe. Click the notification bell. To my subscribers, go ahead, hit me in the comment section and tell me what you think about it all. Let me look at something. Hold on. Oh, even better with the, you can't see the dark spots up under my eyes. You're supposed to just pat. Just pat, 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 pat. And that's what I was doing. Pat, 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 pat. And brush, 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 brush. I'm learning it all, guys, and I'm sharing it all with you. At 44 years old, I'm sharing about my hair. I'm sharing about me learning about makeup. I'm sharing everything with you guys. Everything. So I will see you guys in the next video, and remember to keep God first in whatever you do. And I do mean whatever, everything that you do, keep God first and watch God move. See y'all in the next video. Whoop whoop. Bye.